Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to unpair Bluetooth headphone to a Tecno phone. Guys, you want to unpair guys this Bluetooth headphone to your phone, so guys you can unpair. And guys, now let's see how to unpair it. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video fans, I want to tell you, if you need my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now let's start the video. And first of all, open your phone setting friends to unpair it. Then guys, you can see your more connection settings. So guys, tap here, guys click on Bluetooth setting. So guys, you have paired this headphone and guys you want to unpair, guys you can see this setting option. So guys, tap here and guys you can see forget option means unpair. Then guys, tap here, then it will unpair to your phone. We will off it. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Bluetooth headphone to a Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.